Hi friends, this is your Lesson 25 exit ticket. So in your learning video, you should have learned about how you can write a addition number sentence, but then you can also turn that addition number sentence into a subtraction sentence. So we know that in an addition number sentence, it's always part plus part equals whole. But then in a subtraction number sentence, like this one down here, we're going to have whole minus part equals part. Okay, so that's what you're going to do on this exit ticket. Here is a short word problem for you. So I'm going to read this to you. Then what I want you to do is when I'm done reading this to you, you're going to put that into a number bond, and then you're going to write an addition and a subtraction sentence to match that word problem. Okay, then at the bottom you're going to write how many Rich bought. So Rich bought blank cans. Okay, so listen to your word problem. Rich bought 6 cans of soda on Monday. He bought some more on Tuesday. Now he has 9 cans of soda. How many cans did Rich buy on Tuesday? Okay, friends, I'm going to read that one more time. Rich bought 6 cans of soda on Monday. He bought some more cans on Tuesday. Now he has 9 cans of soda. How many cans did Rich buy on Tuesday? So using this word problem, I want you to create a number bond to match. Here's your addition number sentence to match that word problem. And then you're going to turn it into a subtraction sentence. Okay, friends? If you need to listen to these again, just pause and start it at the beginning and listen to it again. If you still need help, make sure you put your name over on that help board, and I'll be with you shortly.